That is not the best way to train. It's so far from the best way to train. It's driven by, you know, these fitness professionals that are trying to grow an audience to then be able to sell to them. So when you're looking at these workouts that have, where you're following someone and every day they're showing something new, that is not the best way to train. It's so far from the best way to train. If you went and worked with a professional strength and conditioning coach for athletes, for the people that we're all really wanting to be like, you know, like when you look at people that are at the top of their field in athletics or sports or anything that have these amazing physiques and can really perform, they don't train like that. They follow periodized programs and yeah, most of the time that's what they're doing. And I mean, that's a really important thing to understand. You know, nobody gets really jacked from doing these crazy workouts where they're doing all these crazy movements with it. Like, you just don't build muscle like that. If you're doing workouts that are like that, I would ask yourself, in the very, very least, look at your program, look at what you're doing in a week, and see if when you do something like a back squat, a bench press, a shoulder press, a pull-up, a deadlift, you know, whatever it is, is it programmed in that you can get at least 25 to 50 reps on the one movement if you're doing a strength cycle where you're doing 5 reps or less per set? Or, get your head around this, at least 40 to 70 reps on one muscle group, doing a minimum of 8 reps per set if you want to build muscle for hypertrophy. This is what the research has shown for decades is what works best. And if you're not getting that, if that's not in there, you're really going against the research. This isn't just our opinion. There's lots and lots of really good gold standard research that we're just regurgitating here. And if that's you, if you're looking at your program and thinking, Jesus, you know, when I do my bench press, I'm only getting 2 or 3 sets of that. I'm only actually getting, you know, 10 to 15 reps or whatever it is. Then you might want to have a serious think about how you're writing your programs or who's writing them for you, because there's a better way to do it, and there's a way to do it that you're going to see far superior results.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.